gonna start streaming again. See if it works now. Alright, and we're good now. Alright, we're live. Alright, we're into BXRX, breaking into this flag. Gonna see that break. Can we get that break through 5.83? Seems like we're getting it now. Can we get a further move upward is the question here. Getting that further move upward, profit targets in the vicinity. I actually don't have anything as of right now. Until, ooh, this looks good right here. This looks good. Level at 6.5. So next profit target seems to be 6.5 level. Let's draw it in yellow. If that 5.6 level doesn't hold, then I exit. Still on the 5-minute chart, we still look good. We still look good. I don't want to take a too big loss before we even enter the market open. Trading based out of the 5-minute, I want to see this level hold. Level holding. Didn't close below 5.6, which was what I was hoping for. If it closed by 5.6, I would have had to stop out. Now that we have a little wick on this side, it gives me more confidence that there's more support in this area. BXRX definitely a leading gapper of the day with the best news. He says Baudax, I don't know how to spell that, Baudax Bio shares trading higher after the company announced the outcome of its first interim analysis in a phase 2 trial of something for neuromuscular blockade in patients undergoing electric surgery or something like that. Something like that, along those lines. On the 5-minute, it looks good. I want to see that level hold. Here on the 5-minute, we have a strong move upward, a sideward moves, a strong move upwards, sideways movement. And then now we're expecting a squeeze up even higher as we see this 9 exponential moving average keeps moving up, keeps squeezing higher. That's what we're hoping on. Gonna get in here. Oh, I filled in 100. That was on me. I did not plan to get filled at 100 shares there. I had 100 shares ready to get to stop out if needed. I forgot to drop my average back to 50. Average is 5.81. Green on the tape. Still struggling. Gonna be patient here. I'm gonna go let it work out. Gonna let it work out. Resistance level of 6. It's getting bought up. Push down. I should have sold at 6. 6 would have been a good selling point. Let's sell my first 100 shares at. Yeah, I could have missed my chance. Yeah, I missed my chance. I forgot 6 was a psychological resistance point. I forgot that. How could I forget that? How did I not see that coming? How did I not see that coming? Fuck. That's all good. It was a good risk reward ratio. Once I was up $40. And when I was down, I stopped out at 12, so it's fine. But that was such a dumb move on my part. I should have seen that coming. Alright. I don't know how I didn't see that coming. I should have stopped that at 6. Oh well. Let's see the 5-minute chart. Let's see for a good entry. We could get an entry upon the move from 5.9 for the break of 6. Good dip buy right there. I'm kind of buying based off this 9 exponential moving average. Gonna try to scale in my way up on the way up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to try to scale in with a good cost average so I'm not blindsided by a flush if it comes. All right. We're still at 100 shares. It'd be a good ad here. Here would be a good ad I'm seeing, because we're at a low of this dip right here, but right before the peak of the break. So if it flushes down here, then I'm out. And I plan on selling my first 100 shares at 6 this time. Yeah, it's not we're not recovering that. Yeah, we're done. Fuck. I should have seen its psychological resistance at 6. I should have seen that coming. Ah, damn it. January 24th, 23. What is the thing Ross always says? Don't expect. Go for base hits. Don't go for home runs. Short. It's okay to sell. At lower resistance levels. Then peak, probably target. Okay. So what happened here? Basically, here the people started buying the dip off this level. That would have been a really good point to buy. I missed it. Well, I can't go chasing it now. I have to wait for a good setup to show up. Oh. Oh, what? Why did this just come out of nowhere? This is tricky. We do have volume stacking in. Gonna average in at 6. Nah, out. Could take off here. Gonna scalp the high. Entering at a really high position. Average is 6.10. In at 100 shares. Adding 200 shares in. Average is 6.16. Trying to get that move to 6.5 which is what I want. The reason I'm adding it to this high, which normally would be a dumb, risky movement position, is I do see the ABCD pattern that formed in the 5-minute. So I do have the confidence to believe that it could keep reaching new highs up to that 6.5 level. If it wasn't for this bull flag pattern, I wouldn't have bought it here. It's still a risky play, and I probably shouldn't have gone at such a high average. I should have gone at a lower average. Just definitely what I should have done. But my sell button is at 6.44 for my first 100 shares. I'm gonna hold that. I know pre-market likes to fake me out a lot. Let's see if the buyers could break that 6.25 level here. And they couldn't do it. Still holding. I know that's if that $6 mark becomes a support, then it'll take off. But you got to be patient. And clearly, my average is above 6, which is not good because it's a higher average on my shares. And I'm already red. Just gonna be patient for now. Wait for that 6 support level. Come on, let's get it. We're about to be right at the market open. It's gonna be very interesting. If we breach that 6.2 level, I'll add in again. Oh, that was a strong move upward. Strong support. I'm in that. Strong support there. Push that price right up. Moving my sell to 150 shares in case I gotta sell out quick. Still holding through that 6 support level. As long as that 6 shows support, could still slingshot up. Time 9:29. Market's about to open. I'm holding 300 shares. This could end up very bad. I never hold through market open. We're gonna be patient and hold it through it. We're gonna hold through market open. Market opens in 15 seconds. What do we get? It's a little rocky at first. Gonna give it its time. Gonna give it its time. Well, I understand the risk of it anyways. I'm not gonna act like a dumb, like like I didn't know this was gonna happen. I knew this was entirely a possibility. And I know that if that... Okay, it's filled my first 200 shares. Okay, that's good. And back down you go. At least I filled 100 of my shares. That's nice. I think I'm gonna hold. I do know this is a leading gapper, so the chances of it coming back up are really high. I'm only at 200 shares. Kind of surprised I got filled. Gonna be patient here. I think today's trading was a little off. It could have been much better. It could have been much, much better. I agree with that. Oh yeah, that's gonna crash. Big time. My average is what, 6.2? What a high average I have. Jeez. Yeah, I took a really big hit. Well, I already passed my stop loss. Now I'm kind of just I might average down, but we're just gonna wait, be patient. I was on the computer at 9 a.m. You see here, I should have. But I know this dip could have worked. I should have got it. That would have been a great position to buy right there. That would have been a great position to buy. Could be a red to green move. I need to trade better. This was, again, not good. Need to stop editing videos, creating content, and start actually studying. the trading itself. I do think still think it's gonna go up because it's a leading gap or it has news. So I'm not too stressed. But it is a like if I had a lower cost average and a lighter position, I would have been much more calmed down. I mean, if it kind of hits its resistance mark and comes back down, it's probably not going to be good for me. I'm expecting a stronger move on the upside later, so I'm not worried. It's just a shitty predicament that I put myself in, but I'm not too worried. I'm gonna come back up here. And I'm gonna be patient. All the way to 6.3. I'm back in the green. Did it seriously just get halted? There's no way. Oh yeah, it's about to get halted. It's about to get halted. Well, that's good. Yeah, well, I had the idea. Wait, let's make sure it's halted. Once it gets halted. Okay, it's halted. Yeah, well, it turned out I was right. Um, but it's still not good trading in my opinion. That could have easily went wrong, and I had to do more studying. That could have easily went wrong. Even though my plan came into fruition, it it was based off not probability but chance, and that's where the mistake came in. Had I been like, okay, now we're coming down, sell off, and then now we're down here, and I started, oh, I see this, like, okay, I add here, have this of risk, this plus reward plus whatever comes next. That would have been risk, but even though yes, these stocks tend to have these moves, so I kind of understood it was gonna happen, so I wasn't so scared when I saw it was down $150. I wasn't scared because I knew the probability that it would hit the VWAP and come back up was higher. However, this that idea itself was based on chance, and any strategy based on chance will eventually fail. So that was my mistake. So yesterday and today are two very learning experiences. Even today's not even done. Like today, the market just opened, so we still have a lot wait for us. I'll try my scanner real quick. People started buying after they saw that view up, and then try to squeeze in to fill that window. This is a perfect red to green move, which is really good. Um, if we get that breakthrough 6.5, next level would be 7.65 or 7.65, or we're gonna call it at 6 point. What is that? 6.85. We'll call that 6.85. Not even. I mean, maybe. And then we'll like draw a little line here at 7, just to keep me aware of everything. Let's put on my scanner. Do we have anybody on live today? Oh, we had one viewer for like 2 minutes. They say, okay, so BXRX also only has 492K float, so that could actually help blow up. Actually, that's going to be very interesting to see how this blows up. For those who don't know, the float is the amount of shares available for trading. It has approximately 500,000 shares available trading, which is pretty mind blowing considering the volumes here are like $1 million in shares of trading, meaning that each share was doubly traded approximately. Each share was traded twice, whether it was bought or sold twice in that green candlestick, in these candles. That's crazy. Okay, my average is, of course, 6.2, which is here. And resumption is on BXRX. BXRX is on in 15 seconds. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna add any more shares. I think I already exceeded my risk tolerance for the day. Selling a little bit off the top. Gonna hold the rest for that move to 6.8. Can we get that move to 6.8? I think I'll get it. Yeah, we'll definitely get it. Oh, not good. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell is going on today? Hey, it did hit my resistance line. Fuck, I was so dumb for listening to guys that said it was gonna blow up. I should have stuck to my base hits, not home runs. I literally wrote it. I was like, put the base hit in, not the home run. Hit the base hit, not the home run. Put the base hit in, not the home run. Oh well, $40. Light profit day. I guess. It's kind of weird. I mean, I do. I guess. Yeah, I just got a lot of stuff to review. I guess this is quite funny, honestly. I have to check my I have to check how much buying power I have left. I don't even think I want to keep trading. After all that shit. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Alright, what's rising up? Oh, BXRX is acting weird. G-Roam. BIF maybe. Let's check out BF. Let's check any news. BF just breached above that top of the VWAP level. That's good. Check my watch list. Okay, so we have BF here now. We could try to get some good plays in here in BF. We got a pre-market high at 2.4. 5 minute setup is looking like a consolidation level. Ideally, we want to see some sort of struggle here, some pullback, something that could offer us a good entry, whether that is on the VWAP as well. That could work too. I'm gonna stay clear from BXRX for now. Dropping my average to 100 here. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking good. 100 shares in BF here. High entry though, high risk. What is it? What did I get filled at? 2.24. Gonna double down here for the break. Gonna flatten out if it doesn't work like ASAP. No, not good. Not for me. Not for me. Oh, there goes 50% of my gain on BXRX. 2.18. 2.2 buying at that level. Well, I also had 200 shares, which is kind of risk intensive. Only have 50 shares here now. Yeah, 200 shares is a little too much, honestly. Okay, this is good now. This is ideally what I was looking for. This is ideally what I was looking for now. And I meant to add 50 shares again. I keep getting finessed by my hotkeys. Okay, now I see that VWAP support. Now I'm much more confident in what I'm doing here. Gonna try to get that break through 2.25 for the break of 2.4, or at least for a hit of 2.4. Gonna not add on this one, but I'm gonna add on the next. Gonna wait, gonna be patient. I could add here. I'm gonna add 50 shares of anything. I'm not gonna go too crazy here. Average 2.17. $200 shares long for the break of 2.25. You gonna take us home or what? All right, take us home. Take us home. Take us there. Take us there. Take us at 2.4. Take us at 2.4. Hand on the flat and out button in case I get stopped out. Buying based off of the support off this VWAP into the break of this resistance level at 2.28. Can we get that move to 2.4? Can we get that move to 2.4? Struggling here, struggling here. I want to move to 2.4. Can you give me that move to 2.4? Gonna sell my first 100 shares at 2.39 resistance level. Because I'm smart. I'll say 2.38 just to be conservative. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that strong resistance right there. It's okay. Be patient. Gonna get filled at 2.39 here any second now. Looks like 2.37 was a high. Was the highest. Oh, I'm at 2.38. Come on. Get me filled. Get me filled. Boom. Game time. Now I only have 100 shares in. Light work. Boom. Boom. Take me higher. Take me higher. Come on. No, I can't come back up there. Crawl back up. Crawl back up. I know you can. I know you can crawl back up. Crawl back up. Crawl back up for me. Give me filled at 2.6. Crawl back up for me. All right, we'll settle for 2.55. I'll settle for 2.55 then. How about that? And I got greedy. Give me something higher. Nah, I mean, I only have 100 shares. I might as well. I'll get filled at 2.65 maybe. Oh, yeah, I missed my chance. I missed my chance. Yeah, I should have put in the order for 2.65 off the rip. It's just kind of fun though. It's kind of fun when you don't have like $1,000 involved and you have like shares to play around with. All right, I'll settle for 2.65 then. I'll settle. I'll settle for 2.63. Which is I'll settle for 2.63. You're right there. You're right there. Boom. And we settled. And we're good. Be off trading that nice VWAP support move into trading that VWAP support move. Be off. How many shares does Be off have? 5 million shares of float. Much better than whatever the fuck BXRX was showing. Fucking crazy. Okay. B off, tremendous move here. As you see here, what we did, guys, we traded the VWAP support. As we saw here, B off was one of the leading gappers today. Now let me start that because I'm gonna edit this up. As you see, B off was one of the leading gappers today. B off was one of the leading gappers today. Market open, flushed down, then curled back up. The VWAP, the yellow line, is the pre-market high. Broke the volume weighted average price here. Came back down, which was what I was expecting. I was expecting this VWAP support to hold the price up as it did here. And then I started averaging in for the break of this high right here at 2.28 and the retest of the pre-market high at 2.4. And we were able to profit on the jump forward. Great profit day. Thank you all for watching. I'm gonna log out. Finishing the day. What are we finishing the day? What is like 80 bucks? $80 green. $84 green. Let's fucking go. Like that. Only here at Tavera Trading. Boom. That's how we do it. That's how we do it.